Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enable Chrome OS Developer Mode. First, understand that this process will completely erase all local data on your Chromebook. It's crucial to back up anything important before proceeding. Once enabled, your device will display a warning screen each time it starts, which is normal for developer mode. To begin, ensure your Chromebook is fully powered off. Next, simultaneously press and hold the S key and the refresh key. While holding these two, press the power button. You can release the power button once the device screen turns on, but keep holding S and refresh until you see the recovery screen. Once you see the recovery screen, which typically shows a message about Chrome OS being missing or damaged, press the Control key and the D key together. You will then be prompted to confirm your choice to switch to developer mode. Confirming this will initiate the process, which can take several minutes as your system prepares. With developer mode active, you can now access the Chrome OS shell, allowing for advanced commands and modifications. This opens up possibilities like installing Linux applications or even custom firmware. Remember, operating in developer mode carries potential security risks, so always exercise caution and understand the changes you are making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.